To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we are solving the type 3 problem in the borrowing cost in which we need to calculate the interest on the foreign loans. So the question is on the screen. Please take the screenshot of the question. X company borrowed 2% loan of $6,000. So $6,000 they are taking loan of 2% interest. If the same loan was obtained in the local market means India, the rate of interest would be 9%. Okay. The exchange rate on opening and closing dates for dollars is 82 rupees and 85 rupees. Now let us calculate the interest on loan. So as you all know, we have 5 steps. Step 1 is calculation of interest on foreign loans. So total we are taking $6,000 into 2% interest into closing amount. What is the closing amount? The closing amount will be 85 rupees. So on 31st March closing date it will be 85 rupees. So take 85 rupees. 6,000 into 2% into 85 rupees will be 10,200. Next, step 2. Step 2 will be calculation of interest on Indian loan. So it will be same $6,000 into 9% is the interest in India. We have to take 82 rupees. The reason is if you are taking Indian rupees only, the value will not change. Since here you are converting the foreign loan, you have to take the closing date. Otherwise, the time at which you took the loan, whatever the amount will be there. See, on 1st April you took the loan. It was 82 rupees. When you pay the interest also, the same 82 rupees will be considered. But in case of foreign loan, the closing date amount will be considered. So 6,000 into 9% into 82 rupees will be 42,280. Next will be step 3. The step 3 will be calculation of difference. We need to calculate the difference because that will be added to the borrowing cost. Calculation of difference. It is nothing but step 2 minus step 1. Step 2 is how much? Step 2 is 44,280 minus step 1 is 10,200. The difference of both is 34,080 rupees. Now the last step is calculation of borrowing cost. Calculation of borrowing cost. So for this the formula is step 1 means interest on foreign loan plus step 3 difference. Step 1 is how much? Step 1 is 10,200 plus step 3 is this one 34,080 rupees. We get the total borrowing cost, that is 44,280. This 44,280 is the borrowing cost. This is how we need to calculate the borrowing cost on foreign loans. Hope you have understood this type 3 problem. In my next video, I'll come with the last problem in the type 3. In this particular problem, if you have any doubts or queries, please put all your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.